Yes guys, welcome to another short video. I will talk you through Dominicus, which is the neighboring beach village of Bayahibe. It is known for snorkeling and diving tours to the islands Isla, Saona and Isla, Catalina. The village is quite small. You can check out the cozy restaurants and cafes, and there are many souvenir shops and small art galleries. Other things that are popular are horse riding, coffee excursions, and of course cave diving in the national park Cotubanama. Most people rent one of the many luxurious apartments. You can also stay in one of the villas in the village. Let's check out the beach. The weather is not perfect today, but I still think it looks pretty nice. Let's launch the drone and let me talk you through some shots. So Dominicus basically consists of three parts. We've got this famous pier somewhat in the middle, and on the west side we have the more expensive resorts with prices over 200 euros a night. On the east side, the resorts and hotels are slightly cheaper. And at the very end we have National Park Cotubanama. Okay guys, this is the part that connects Playa Bayahibe with Playa Dominicus. Yesterday I had to walk this path by night, and I have to say I didn't like that. So today I'm heading back before sunset. I think this is a good spot to end the video, guys. Thanks for watching again, and see you on the next one.